In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Substack history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your reading history so you can quickly revisit posts, pick up where you left off, and keep your inbox organized. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Substack.com. Substack works well on both desktop and mobile browsers, but the layout may look a little different depending on your screen size. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you use the account you read newsletters with so your history reflects the right activity. Once you're in, you'll land on the main Substack experience where you can see publications you follow and recent updates. Next, look for the subscriptions area. This is typically visible in the main navigation or sidebar and is the hub for everything you follow. Clicking subscriptions pulls together the newsletters and writers you've chosen to receive updates from, and it's the best jumping off point for managing what you read. Think of it as your personal library inside Substack. From here, you can see what's new, what you've saved, and most importantly for today, get to your reading history. Now, open your history view. This is where Substack keeps a chronological record of what you've recently engaged with. You'll see entries organized by date, showing the publication name and the post title, often with a short preview. It's especially useful if you remember reading something earlier but can't recall which publication it came from, or if you closed a tab before finishing a long read. As you scroll, you can skim titles, note the timestamps, and jump straight back into any post by clicking it. If you're on mobile, the history section may be tucked behind a menu icon. Once you're in the inbox area, switching to history reveals the same list of recent activity optimized for a smaller screen. A few practical tips while you're here. If your history looks sparse, confirm you're logged into the correct account and give the page a moment to load. Your history reflects your personal reading activity, so it won't appear on other accounts. If a post doesn't open, it may have been updated or moved by the publisher. Try refreshing the page and relaunching it from history. And if privacy is a concern on a shared device, sign out when you're done, so your reading trail stays yours. That's all there is to it. Go to Substack, open subscriptions, and then view your history to quickly find and revisit anything you've read. Thanks for watching and happy reading.